But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Hi my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share this festival blinding gorgeous beginner friendly makeup look, because this makeup is look amazing. अगर आप कुछ बजट में अगर आप कुछ क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, this is the something budget friendly makeup look. and इनकी ज़्यादा ही ओवर हो चुका है मेकअप, बट द थिंग इज़ कि इस मेकअप लुक को आप खुद भी कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हो अगर आप एक बार सिर्फ स्टेप्स लर्न कर लीजिए, एंड देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली कस्टमाइज योर मेकअप लुक विद द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू हैव. एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. आई रियली लाइक आई मेकअप. बहुत ज़्यादा सटल है, बस थोड़ा सा कैट आई लाइनर है. आप एक शेड ले सकते हो एंड one shade according to your dress. You can definitely go with any brown color and one glitter eyeliner and black eyeliner, and you are sorted. Just apply mascara, eyelashes, kajal and your base makeup and you are good to go. But this is something but this makeup look is too much professional. अगर आप किसको सिखाना भी चाहते हो makeup and you are giving classes to your students, you can definitely use this makeup look, because this is amazing and gorgeous eye look, because I love it. and मैं अपने चैनल पे बहुत ही सारे प्रोफेशनल आई मेकअप लुक्स क्रिएट करती हूँ. कैन डेफिनेटली चेकआउट. मेरी प्लेलिस्ट आपको मिल जाएगी, आप डेफिनेटली चेकआउट कर सकते हो. और मैं प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. बी श्योर टू चेकआउट. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न मोर एंड मोर प्रोफेशनल मेकअप लुक्स, तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बता सकते हो. जितने इस वीडियो को लाइक आएंगे आई विल क्रिएट. बी श्योर मुझे कमेंट्स जरूर कीजिएगा. बी श्योर कि मुझे कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा, बिकॉज जब भी मुझे कमेंट्स आते हैं आई विल मेक अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़. सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. एंड आई नो इंट्रो बहुत लंबी हो चुकी है, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज वीडियो. So first I'm going to moisturize my face with this Bio Aqua's 24 Gold Skincare Serum. So this is how the outer box looks like, and this serum is very sticky. If you need a sticky serum or primer for your face with a liquid texture like a serum texture, you can definitely check this one, because it is a primer with skincare benefits. So you can definitely check this one if you need something like that. You can definitely see it does have that gold key particles. It will nourishes your skin. It is good for dry skin people. If you have combination skin, you can definitely use the serum right here. If you have that cracky flaky skin, you just need one drop and you are done, because it is extremely moisturized. Oops. Okay, so you have 3 drops. Okay, you have to merge it, massage it well on your skin, on your under eyes, on your eyelids, everywhere. On primer, if you need that flawless base for this festive season, so first I recommend to use a silicone based primer for your skin. I'm going to use here Kiss Beauty Pro Setting HD High Definition Prep and Set. So you will get here one primer and one makeup fixer. This makeup fixer is about to end. This makeup fixer is flawless. It just gives you that seamless effect on your face, and I just love this makeup fixer. It is so good, so affordable, good for festive season, good for beginners makeup kit. You can definitely check this one. This is amazing. Okay, so it is almost about to finish. Yeah, just only one pump left. So next I'm going to use another glowing primer, which is from the brand Mars Cosmetics. So this is the Take a Glow primer. So this is how the so this is how the outer packaging looks like. I just love it. And I am in the shade number 01 Moon Glow. It's a yellow undertone primer, and You can definitely see I have used it like a couple of times and it is really good. First you need to shake it really well because all the particles is merged well and give you the flawless base, flawless finish that we
I'm doing today.
Finally it came out. This is how the product looks like. One pump is enough, if I say. It is good for dry skin people because it is really moisturizing. I do have the Illuminati base that is good for oily skin because that is gel based texture, but this is the creamy based texture, so you can definitely go with both of them if you need to try the both of the products. First you need to apply this cream base and then you can definitely go with that gel base formula. Not gel base, it is water consistency and I just love it. Just pat everything on your skin, just pat and you will get that flawless finish. Just look at that shine on my face. I love this. Good for festivals, like amazing. It is good for bridals as well. Love it, highly recommended. Mostly I'm going to use today Mars Cosmetics, but let's see. I'm going to use BB cream from Mars Cosmetics today. So this is how the packaging looks like. I really love the packaging of Mars Cosmetics. So my BB cream is done and my shade is like, let me tell you the shade in the BB cream. Where is the BB cream? I am in the shade number Fair and definitely now it is matching my skin. So yeah, you can definitely see. So look at that shine, all that products is peeking through. This BB cream is like gorgeous and it does have that high coverage to it. You can definitely skip the concealer if you need to. Now let's move on to the concealer. I have this Swiss Beauty concealer and my goal for this one is to completely finish it up because you know ये बहुत कम amount में है मेरे पास. So just because of that I need to finish this up because ये ख़त्म होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा. But still I have used it like couple of times, but not my favorite concealer. If you love this you can get it, but I don't recommend it because ये मेरे face पे हमेशा crease out होता है. Whenever I use this product ये हमेशा मेरी skin पे crease out होने लग जाता है. So just because of that I don't recommend this one. And I'm using a very less quantity of it today because it just crease on my face, just because of that. And my concealer is done, and next for contour I will be using this Mars contour palette. So this is a really nice product, I highly recommend it. And look at it. So I'm just going to use this dark color. Love this. Okay, let's blend everything. Use this berry tone red color for my blusher. Okay, I'm just using one swipe of it. Just look at that pan. Just look at that pan. Okay. Now let's try. Now let's use it. I need a very huge quantity because I have applied a lot of cream based products. So just because of that I need a huge quantity of powder on my face to intact everything. First I'm just blending my concealer and looking up. Blend it. And now you don't need to blink. Just take your powder, okay, and just tap it. You need your concealer to be intact on the place. You don't need to drag it. Just tap it. Tap, 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 and tap. Full hair. So I'm using this powder and this powder like this, just to give that translucent powder effect. So the next color I'm going to use is light brown shade. I'm going to use this on my crease area here, just to add a little bit depth. Just flicking out, and yeah. Next I'm going to use this color, very light purple pink color, on my eyelid, on my half of my eyelid, not full, just half of my eyelid, till my crease area here. Next I'm going to use this color, this is burnt orange color, a little bit, not too much, because these shades are really pigmented, so you need a very light hand. I'm going to apply this on my crease line right here, just add some depth on my crease line. Next I'm going to use this color, very little amount, to I'm just going to apply this color on my outer V. For my eyebrow bone, I'm going to use this color for my eyebrow bone. Next I'm going to use makeup revolution palette, और इसका मैं ये black shade apply करूँगी on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to use this white kajal. Next I'm going to use this matte look mascara. I really like this mascara. Next for bronzer, I'm going to use this Mars V Face bronzer in the shade number 05, and I'm using it like a lot. And for blusher, I'm going to use these two shades from the same palette. And for contour, I'm going to use this palette and going to use this shade, cool tone brown shade, to contour my face. And this is from the brand Miss ADS. Using a lot of it. Highlighter, and for highlighter I'm going to use this Mars sorry, this is the exposed compact. So here is my highlighter. So this is the Mars highlighter in the shade number rose gold. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the shade looks like. This is from the brand CoverGirl, and I'm using this color. I love this color so much. I really like the color. And for my gloss, I'm going to use this Mars lip gloss. So yeah, this is the final finished look. I really love my eye makeup, and if you are someone who are just going to attend a wedding और आपकी खुद की भी wedding है, so आप इसे try out कर सकते हो. This makeup look is amazing. I know I have used a lot of makeup products, but the thing is कि आप कोई भी makeup product को use करके अपना custom look create कर सकते हो by learning the steps that I have showed in this video for you. And be sure to like, subscribe and share, and let me know what are your thoughts about this makeup look. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.